What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a little product review on some automotive cleaning products. Now, me personally, I've never had brand loyalty to any specific product. I usually buy what's available, what's on sale, and what works. You're going to have guys that will say, Mother's is the best brand out there, I use nothing else. McGuire's is the best out there. Chemical Guys is the best out there, I will not use anything else. And there's nothing wrong with that, that's fine. When people find something they like, they tend to stick with it, and there's nothing wrong with that. Now, me personally, I've never had brand loyalty like that before. So I have a product that I found on a advertisement through Instagram that I figured, you know what, I'll go ahead and give it a try, see how it works. The price was right, and it had what I was looking for. So we're gonna open it up, look at it, test it. I'll do before and after shots of each product that I use and what its intended purpose is, just to see how it performs. And maybe, just maybe, at the end of this video, maybe I'll have brand loyalty to something. I guess we'll see. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, guys, so inside this box, we have the starter kit from REVAUTO. Now, you may have seen REVAUTO's advertisements on Instagram and Facebook and may have been on the fence about giving it a try. But hopefully, at the end of this video, you know, maybe we can put some of your issues to rest, and you may want to give this stuff a chance too. So let's go ahead and pull everything out of the box and see what we're working with. So in front of you, you see the Suds Shampoo and Wax, which is a cherry-infused scent, so that should be nice. You got your Revive Interior Cleaner, good for plastic, leather, and vinyl. You got the Mean Clean, designed to break down stubborn oil stains and grease grime. Their REVAUTO Glass Cleaner. The Breakaway removes brake dust and cleans wheels and tires. And the Magic Wax, which is a 2-in-1 spray-on and wipe-off application. Each one of these spray-on bottles comes with their own spray head. And also in the kit, you get a nice sticker, the much-needed face mask, and a tack cloth, I'm assuming to go with the wax to wipe off it when you're done. So, seeing as how my car's been driven daily for the past week in the rain, the whole time, it's plenty dirty. So we're going to go ahead and put this stuff to the test. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hose out, get the buckets filled, and we're going to get started. Alright guys, so it's been a few weeks now since I recorded this video. As you can see, I've used this stuff about 3 or 4 times now. The breakaway I've used 5 or 6 times, and you can see where it's currently sitting at with levels in regards to the bottling. So this stuff goes a pretty good ways. For the price of what I paid, this was a really good deal, and the car looked great. So a couple days later, I reached back out to REVAUTO, and I got a coupon code set up through their website. So now, if they are not running any active sales of 20% or more, and they do that from time to time, at checkout, you can type Fox Craze into the coupon code, and you'll receive 15% off your entire purchase, every purchase that you make through their website. Now, 50% may not be a lot, but over weeks or months of purchasing, it does add up. So with that said, if you are already subscribed and you continue to watch the content, I appreciate you and I thank you. If you're new to the channel, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of any future content and watch the car and the channel as it progresses. With that said, I hope everybody stays safe, and I will see you on the next one.